Introducing the Akiles iLam Plus, a 4-roller pouch laminator sure to bring you superior laminating results with ease and efficiency. The Akiles iLam Plus uses heated roller technology that efficiently distributes heat from the inner core to the roller surface, evenly melting the pouch laminate as it passes through. The rollers also use a Tite spring system to apply even pressure on the pouch laminate, producing crystal clear laminating results each and every time. Whether you're laminating from 3mm up to a 10mm pouch, the Akiles iLam Plus is sure to handle the job with efficiency and crystal clear results. With a 12.8-inch width capacity, the Akiles iLam Plus allows a large range of laminating pouch sizes, from business card size to letter size and up to double letter size. A LCD control panel allows for ease of use. The power button turns the laminator on. The rollers begin rolling and the machine is ready for cold lamination. A press of the hot button begins the warm-up process, with labeled buttons to adjust temperature. The measure button tells you exactly what temperature the machine is at. A reverse button is also handy to avoid jams. Let's laminate a 3mm letter size pouch. Set the temperature based on the recommended settings guide. Open the film and place your document inside. Once the ready light appears, insert the pouch into the opening with the seal side forward. Crystal clear, perfect lamination. It's that easy. The machine comes with an auto shut-off function. Simply hold down the power button to activate the cool down mode. Once the roller temperature cools, the machine will shut off automatically, therefore prolonging the life of the laminator. All Akiles laminators come with a 1-year warranty. In case your machine needs repair, we'll take care of parts and labor. For superior quality and efficiency, the Akiles iLam Plus is the pouch laminator you need for crystal clear results each and every time.